In a world full of endless options and constant decision-making, learning to decide faster can be the key to living a more fulfilling, productive, and stress-free life. Whether it's choosing what to wear, what to eat, or making life-changing career moves, mastering the art of quick choices empowers you to act with clarity and confidence. Why fast decisions matter. Many people associate quick decisions with recklessness, but that's a myth. When done correctly, fast decision-making is not impulsive. It's efficient and rooted in self-awareness. Here's why it matters. Saves time. You gain back hours otherwise lost in analysis paralysis. Boosts confidence. Deciding quickly builds trust in your own instincts. Reduces overthinking. Fast choices silence the inner critic. Improves focus. You can move on and direct energy toward action. The science behind decision fatigue. Studies show that the average adult makes over 35,000 decisions per day. As decisions accumulate, your ability to make clear choices diminishes. This is called decision fatigue. By making faster, low-stake choices, you conserve mental energy for the big ones that truly matter. 5 tips to master quick decision-making. 1. Set a time limit. Give yourself 30 seconds to a few minutes for minor decisions. Set a timer if needed. If you can't decide in that window, the options are likely too similar, and any will do. 2. Trust your first instinct. Your gut is often more accurate than you think. Quick choices rely on subconscious wisdom built over years of experience. 3. Simplify your options. Too many choices kill clarity. Narrow your options down to 2 or 3 max. Too much choice equals more confusion. 4. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the decision that brings 80% of the benefit with 20% of the effort. Perfectionism delays progress. Choose what works, not what's flawless. 5. Practice daily. Make quick decisions in small areas of your life. What to wear, what to eat, which email to reply to. Like any skill, speed improves with practice. Quick doesn't mean careless. Speed should never replace wisdom. When a decision affects your values, relationships, or long-term future, take the time to reflect. But for daily tasks, errands, and small opportunities, faster is often better. When you learn the art of quick decision-making, you free yourself from mental clutter and hesitation. Decide faster and live better, because clarity, action, and confidence are only one choice away.